Ready? 1.
Aya.
Ready? 2.
Aya.
Back to June B. Back to June B. June B, just like me.
We must do that.
Alright, Cheerio.
Concentrate.
Can ye? Okay, you two face each other. Marcus, attack Patrick in the front choke. Put your hands on his shoulders. Marcus, can you, Patrick, can you show me how to get out? Okay, step forward and elbow. Okay, now you attack Marcus. Okay, Cheerio.
Concentrate.
Can ye battle each other? Shake each other's hand. Okay, face your classmates. Cheerio.
Concentrate.
Can ye? Okay, give